Hi everybody, it's Miss Dawn with your learning adventure for today. So we're going to measure today. We're not going to use a ruler or a yardstick or a tape measure today. Those are standard units of measure, like inches, centimeters, feet, things of that nature. Instead, we're going to use these cubes. These are non-standard units of measure. And we're going to measure the diameter of some things that I have here. The diameter of something is when you measure how round it is. So as you see, I have a glittery pumpkin and it's round. I have a big pumpkin and I have this tree trunk here. It's a little toy that I thought would be fun to measure. So we're going to measure how round everything is. So I have some string here. What we need to do is we have to match up the string with the object so we know we're measuring it correctly. So, do you think this string is the right length for this pumpkin? No, that's way too big. So we're going to use this string here. So I'm going to put it around the pumpkin like this. All right, and as you can see, it goes around the pumpkin. And then we're going to count how many cubes long the string is. Can you count with me? You guys ready? Let's count. And move these out of the way so you guys can see everything. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cubes long is the diameter of my little glittery pumpkin. So now what Miss Dawn's going to do is she's going to stack these up, because when we're done, we're going to compare to see which ones or which item was the one with the largest diameter. And in order to do that, we'll stack up these cubes and then we'll lay them next to each other to see which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. Okay, so I'm gonna move that string over there. So let's measure this tree stump here. Now, I'm gonna teach you guys something, a little shape story here. This rolls and it's shaped like a circle on the bottom and on the top, and it's flat on the top and the bottom. So that makes it a cylinder. Can you say that word? Let's clap it out too. Cylinder. 3 claps. It is a cylinder. So let's see if this string goes around. This is the right string for our cylinder tree stump. Can you guys help me count how long my string is? Oh boy, this is a long string. Can you guys help me? 1. You know what, this one's gonna make it a little easier for us, and I'm gonna stack them up first. Then we'll count. Yeah, I think that is the better idea. I'm glad you guys agree with me. That's awesome. Can you tell already that this one's going to be longer and or more than 14 cubes? I think you can, because you guys are so smart. I'm so proud of how well you guys learn and how attentive you guys are. Okay, we're almost there to the end of the string. Oh boy, oh boy. I think we just need one more. Okay. Woo! That's a lot of cubes. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Whew, that was a lot of cubes. All right, so I'll move this string over here. And next we have our pumpkin. And our pumpkin rolls around too. And what's that? Yeah, you're right. It does look like a ball. Our pumpkin is shaped like a ball. That means it's a sphere. Can you say that word? Sphere? Can you clap it with me? Sphere. Good job. Let's take our string, wrap it around our pumpkin so we have the right diameter. And I'm just going to lay it in front of these. Wait a minute. Do you guys see that? The diameter of the pumpkin is the same as the diameter of my tree stump. The sphere and the cylinder had the same amount of cubes. That is special. That's really cool how that worked out. And as you can see now, which object had the smallest diameter? Was it the glittery pumpkin? Or in this case, the big pumpkin? Which one was it? Yes. The smaller diameter was the little pumpkin. And the larger diameter was the big pumpkin, our sphere, and our tree stump, the cylinder. What can you guys measure at home? Can you measure a can, which is shaped like a cylinder? Or can you measure a candle? If you guys have a fake candle you can use, because we don't want to use real candles, because we don't want to get in trouble. I'm very proud of how well you guys are learning. I want you to stay happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you guys next time for our learning adventure. Bye.